I decided not to shampoo my hair before my retightening. Good morning. Good morning. It is a very good morning. I've been up and cleansing my hair for my retightening tomorrow. Now, I decided not to shampoo my hair before my retightening. My hair has been braided and banded, and I shampooed my hair less than, or maybe about a week ago, but less than 7 days ago, I'm pretty sure. So this time, I got in the shower and I decided to use the apple cider vinegar hair and scalp rinse. When I read the directions for the apple cider vinegar hair and scalp rinse, it said that I should wet my scalp, as I did, remove excess water, and then use the bottle tip to distribute it throughout my hair. I massaged it and I let it stay in more than the 3 minutes which was required. And it also said that it can be used as a shampoo substitute. And so I decided that I wasn't going to shampoo my hair, that I would use that. My hair has been cleansed, and I am excited about my retightening tomorrow. As always, it seems like it comes around quick. Whenever I mention it to someone else, they'll say, well, didn't you just get your hair retightened? No, it was at least 6 weeks ago. That's as long as I will go. And I've known and noticed that my hair needed retightening since last week. Now I am taking out these braids, but they are not dry. I am going to put these braids into 2 braids. I will let them air dry throughout the day. I don't know if I will put on a hat or whether or not I will wrap my hair, but I'm going to wear these braids until tomorrow morning, the day of my retightening. And then I am going to take them out for a braid out, and it'll be included in the next clip of this video before I go for my retightening. I will do a review of this product in a later video. I also want you to know that I will also be uploading a video soon about achieving the 1,000 subscribers. But I am going to put these braids throughout my hair. I am going to do 2 braids for each one that I have. So this makes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, because I have 9 braids in my hair. I'll come back and let you see what it looks like. Okay, I'm back and I'm finishing up this braid. This is my last braid. Well, let me tell you the truth. I forgot that I was recording and was supposed to come back. And I finished the braid, so I took out part of it so you could know that this was the last braid that I did. Just trying to be honest. And while I'm finishing or redoing this braid, I want to say thank you to my subscribers. Thank you. As of this moment, while I'm finishing this braid, I now have 1,050 subscribers. I checked this morning because of a video that I plan to do. And I am so grateful to you. I know I couldn't do it without you. And I just want to say thank you. And for those of you that are watching this video and you have not subscribed, join the family. I want to invite you to the Gene G family. It would be wonderful to have you subscribe to this channel, like the videos, share and comment on the videos. I love the interaction and I appreciate your support. I will be back tomorrow in the same video before I leave for my retightening. That took 11 minutes and 15 seconds. I had hoped that I'd be able to tell you that it took me 10 minutes to take those braids out, but the smaller braids took longer than the larger braids. They were not all equal. Now this hair, my locks look so beautiful right now, and whenever it looks this good, then I'm thinking, why? Why do I have to go for a retightening today? But we're going to see what it looks like after the retightening. I am going to separate my roots on the way to my appointment. I will see you after my retightening. I am out from getting my hair retightened. I think it looks marvelous. It feels good. So we didn't really have a big discussion on my hair, but I know everything went well. It was looking okay. So everything is fine. I am now going to do whatever I want to, I guess, for the rest of the day until this afternoon where I have a consultation. And also wait for my grandson to come into the world. My son and his wife are at the hospital as I speak. I just had to come back and let you see my hair, let you know that there were no issues with my hair. I just needed to come back and let you see what my hair looked like at the end of the day. It is wonderful. I love this look. The curls are still there from my braid out. No issues. None. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. I especially love God. Today was a wonderful day. I got to spend some time with my sister-in-law, and we talked about the goodness of the Lord. We talked about her husband, my brother, who went on to be with the Lord at the end of November. And it's just wonderful to think that we could talk, we shed a few tears, but we know a man of God goes to be with God. Have a great day.